5% solution weight by weight of cane sugar means sucrose, in water has a freezing point 272.7 Kelvin. Calculate the freezing point of 5% solution of glucose in water. Now, most important factor, you have two cases here. Let me take you to this problem. This is a little bit some tricky kind of problem which we need to understand. So, first, if you have to calculate freezing point of 5% glucose, this is case 2, this is case 1. Case 1 is related to cane sugar. Cane sugar means C12H22O11, and case 2 is related to glucose. So here cane sugar is a solute, here glucose is the solute. So for calculating the freezing point of solution TF, we need to calculate. For this we require TF naught. So here clearly that A is, when they give solution means without giving the solvent, A is water, 273 Kelvin. Weight of solute, they have given 5% by mass, means out of 100 grams 5 grams is solute, and 95 grams is solvent. This is one important thing. Next, molar mass of solute is equal to 180 grams. Glucose, if you calculate, you will get. So once we knew the value of Kf, we can calculate this. But in the question, if you say very clearly Kf is not given, so that is the reason from the case 1 we can calculate, you can calculate the Kf. So here delta Tf is equal to Tf naught minus Tf, that is equal to Wb into Kf into 1000 divided by MB into WA. So here also they have given very clearly that this is 5%. Therefore I can take that in this case I can take weight of the solute is also 5 grams and the weight of the solvent is 95 grams. Then TF value they have given in the question. Freezing point of the solution is 272.5 Kelvin, and as usual TF naught is equal to 273 Kelvin. Molar mass of cane sugar or sucrose is 342 grams per mole, right? So using these calculations, first what we should do, TF naught is TF is 273 minus 272.7 is equal to WB is how much, weight is 5 grams, into Kf we have to calculate into 1000 divided by molar mass of solute is 180, sorry here 342 because it is cane sugar, 342 into weight of the solvent is 95 grams. From this Kf is the only thing left out. If you calculate, you will get 1.95 Kelvin kilogram per mole. Now use this value to find out the Kf. So although solutes are different, solvent is the same. Please remember Kf and Kb both are related only to solvent. They are not related to solute. This point is very important. So therefore, once again we'll use the formula delta TF. Delta TF is TF we got TF we have to calculate. TF naught minus TF is equal to WB into 1000 into Kf divided by MB into WA. Once again 273 Kelvin minus TF is equal to weight of solute is 5 grams into 1000 into Kf we found out in part 1, 1.95 divided by molar mass of glucose is 180 and weight of solvent is 95 grams. So if you calculate the TF for this, if you calculate the TF, you will get 272.43 Kelvin. So therefore this is a tricky level of question which we have to understand.